In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AliExpress shopping credits. Let's get started by opening the AliExpress app or website. Whether you're using your phone or computer, make sure you're logged into your account. This ensures that your shopping credits are available for use. AliExpress is a popular online marketplace that offers a wide range of products, and utilizing your shopping credits can help you save money on your next purchase. Once you've opened the app or website, the next step is to proceed to checkout. This is where the magic of using shopping credits begins. Browse through the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. When you're ready, click on the cart icon to review your selected items. From there, you can hit the checkout button to move forward in the purchasing process. Now, it's time to review the order summary. This is an important step because it shows you the complete breakdown of your purchase, including item prices, shipping costs, and any applicable taxes. Pay close attention to this summary to ensure that everything looks correct before proceeding. It's here that you'll also see if your shopping credits have been applied. Speaking of shopping credits, check if they are applied automatically. AliExpress often deducts these credits during checkout, but it's a good idea to confirm. Look for a section in the order summary that shows your total savings from shopping credits. This feature helps you make the most out of your shopping experience by reducing the total amount you have to pay. After verifying your credits, confirm the discounted total. This is the new amount you'll be required to pay after your shopping credits have been deducted. It's satisfying to see how much you've saved, isn't it? This step reassures you that your credits have been successfully applied and you're getting a better deal on your purchase. With everything in place, it's time to complete the payment. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or another option. Make sure to double-check your payment details for accuracy. Completing this step finalizes your order and ensures that your items are on their way to you. Shopping credits are usually deducted automatically during checkout when eligible. This means you don't have to manually apply them, making the process seamless and straightforward. It's a convenient feature that saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on finding great deals and enjoying your purchases. With that ready, you can sit back and relax as your order is processed. You'll receive a confirmation email once your payment is complete, which will include details about your order and expected delivery date. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates, and soon enough, your items will arrive at your doorstep. In conclusion, using AliExpress shopping credits is a fantastic way to save money and enhance your shopping experience. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're making the most of your credits every time you make a purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on AliExpress.